And hey guys, as you can tell today we're doing a pool shoot. Now this pool here is located over in the Grandstand section of the Saratoga Springs Resort, guys. And in the background there you guys can see the backstretch bar. That's a little wet bar out near the pool there. You can get snacks and drinks and stuff. But this is one of the 4 pools located in Saratoga Springs. They actually got a 5th, but that's over in the Treehouse Villa section, or the Treehouse as they call it, I guess. And right now we're just doing this pool here because you've been requested to get out and get some of these pools done over at the Saratoga Resort. So as you guys can tell, nice sized pool. What I like about it today, it's a weekend and nobody's in the pool. So if you guys decided to come down here and swim, you got the whole pool to yourself there. And the cool part here about this one also is you've got them 4 water splashing things that come down. So you can be in 4 different spots. So if someone's there, at least you got a chance to get one of them open. But today, as you can see, you got the pool to yourself. We're actually going to walk over because they've got a little jacuzzi sauna section over here. And that's this guy right here. And they've got a little kids section that's located all the way down. That's a little water play area for the kids. And you can see the gates there, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that, if you were in Saratoga, that would be where the horses are lined up. And then the gates are going to open and they come flying out. But you see, they got the little water cannons. They got the water shooting up out of the ground so your kids can have a little bit of fun out here. And you don't really got to worry too much about them. But this is actually a fun area if mom and dad are going to get out there and play with them. And these are the gates, so if you were at the track, they'd have the gates that open and the horses go running away there and try to win the race. So this is one of the 4 pools. And the 4 pools they have here at Saratoga is the main pool, the High Rock Springs pool. You've got the Grandstand pool. You've got the Paddock pool and the Congress Park pool. But this one's the one that's located right out near the road in the Grandstand section. There's another look at the little spa there. We're gonna walk one more time up near the pool, give you guys another look at that. So if you guys aren't familiar with some of these pools over here at Saratoga, this is one of the options you do have. And if you guys haven't already, we do urge you to subscribe to the channel, give us a like on the video, and if you guys want to see any of these pools or places filmed out, leave it in the comments below and we'll get back to you. We'll try to get out as soon as we can to get them filmed or when we're in the area. And always check the countrybeartours.com, go into the resorts tab, and you guys can see all the pools and resorts tab, or you can just go to the pool tab. And keep your eyes open, guys, because we're getting ready to do a giveaway, and we're going to be giving away a Star Wars baseball hat. But we're going to say goodbye for now. This is the Saratoga Springs Grandstand Pool. So this is one of the 4, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next one.